All right, you guys. So there's been a lot going on in these past couple weeks. There's been a huge fire at actually two huge fires at both of the rivers that I love to go fishing at, and yeah, it's kind of put a halt to my fishing a little bit. But I've come to one of those rivers way downstream, more near the city, and yeah, I've never actually fished this low before. I usually go way up higher, but that's where the fire is right now, so that whole section is pretty off limits. As you guys can maybe see, there's still some smoke in the air, but it's not too bad. So I'm gonna go and check out this lower section of the river and see what I can turn up. I'm also just gonna be running my classic hopper dropper method. Just got a little Frenchie, and then just a good old hopper. But yeah, like I said, right in the middle of the city. But yeah, the river does flow through here, the one that I usually fish. Just I do fish a lot higher upstream than this, so I am optimistic though. The water, last time I was here, it's at a good temperature, so I think these fish should be biting. If I can get a nymph in their face, I think they'll take it. So yeah, this is the section of the river we're gonna be fishing. It is a bit urban, if you could say, but yeah, it is the same river I usually fish, just a lot lower. And yeah, never actually fished here before, but water temperature seemed good, so I'm gonna give it a shot. You guys can see there is a lot of signs of people down here compared to my usual spot, but I'm not gonna let that discourage me at all. I'm the only one out here. Usually if you come here later in the day, there'll be a bunch of people swimming, but I decided to get out here a little early so I could beat all those people and see if I could get a shot at a fish. So yeah, let's give it a go. See, I don't know what this is, guys, but you can clearly tell that there's other people around here, maybe fishing, maybe not, I don't know. There is for sure trash around here. It's kind of sad because this is such a lovely river, but that is just how people are, and there's really nothing you can do about it, so other than try and pick up after people, which I'm gonna do with that stuff right there. But enough of that. Let's see if there's anything biting. Take that back, guys. There is actually someone fishing here, so I'm gonna move upstream so I'm not in his way. But oh my gosh, did you guys see that? What the? Are you kidding me? That was first cast. Okay, not first cast, but you guys know what I mean. What is that? Oh yeah, just a nice little, what is that? That's not a, oh, it's a cutthroat. Yeah, hell yeah. It's a nice one too. Nice cutty. Oh, he's off. All right, let's see if we can get a little view of this guy. That's actually a nice cutthroat. Oh, there he goes. Just destroyed that freaking chubby. No questions asked. right, well, I think I might have to take back what I said. This place might be a little bit better than I thought it was, because that was pretty much like the first good drift, and that thing freaking slammed it. But yeah, honestly, I'm not super surprised because the water is pretty good in temperature. Oh, that was such a good drift. Surprised I didn't get one there. Come on, something hit that. So I'm gonna take that in, guys. I didn't get any more bites at that last little spot right there. So, I'm just gonna lay that river a little bit, see if I can just hit some of these little pockets right here. Whoa, slippery. Can't really see where I'm going either. There's a little fish. All right, you guys. So I didn't get any more fish earlier this morning. So my buddies had showed up and we did some swimming down by the bridge there, and yeah, and they just went home right now. And now I'm gonna do some fishing and explore a little farther upriver and see what I can do. All right, let's get to it. Guys, I'm getting takes like crazy right now. I don't know if they're just not big fish, because you gotta be a little cutthroat, I'm sure. A big red band would not miss that. That is for sure. Okay, you got, oh my gosh, what? That was a decent take. Just could not get it in his mouth. Oh my gosh! What? Did you guys see that eat? Holy fudge nuggets, bro. Oh my, dude, that fish was big. That was a red band. Oh my freaking gosh. I don't think I pricked him. Let's see if he goes back. Oh, again. Oh, it's small though. On the nymph. I don't know if it's a red band. Yes, it is. Yeah. Let's go. It's a healthy looking trout. Don't fight me too much. Alright. Ooh. Oh. Let's get a look at him. Nice wild fish. Oh, he wants to go. Alright. Come on. Whenever you're ready. There she goes.